In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shared designs in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or a seasoned user, keeping track of shared designs can sometimes be a bit confusing. Being able to easily locate these designs is crucial for efficient collaboration and productivity. Don't worry, because today we're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear understanding by the end of this video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Canva in your web browser. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side menu. You'll see a variety of options, but what you want to focus on is the Projects tab. This tab is your gateway to accessing everything you've worked on, and it will help you quickly find the designs that have been shared with you. Clicking on Projects will open up a new section, displaying all your design projects in an organized manner. Now, once you have accessed the Projects section, you need to find the right filter to help pinpoint those shared designs. You'll notice a filter option labeled Owner. This function is designed specifically to help you categorize your designs based on who created them or owns them. Click on the Owner tab and it will expand to show different ownership categories. This will help you identify whether a design was created by you or shared with you by someone else. The next step is to focus on finding the designs that are specifically shared with you. In the expanded Owner menu, you should see an option called Shared with You. Click on this option. This action will filter out all the designs and display only those that have been shared with your account. It's a bit like having a personal assistant who separates your files into neat, organized folders for easy access. At this point, you should see a list of all the designs that collaborators and team members have shared with you. It's an efficient way to quickly access projects you need to work on or review without having to sort through numerous files. Once you see a design that catches your interest or needs your attention, simply click on it to open and start editing or reviewing it as needed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick point worth mentioning. Make sure to regularly check this section to keep up with ongoing collaborations. Staying on top of shared designs ensures you don't miss out on important updates or deadlines. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to find shared designs in Canva. Remember, this simple process can save you a lot of time and make your collaborative projects run more smoothly. Thank you for watching and happy designing.